Look where we are today.
Let me just say I love the binoculars around the neck.
I'm ready for action.
All right.
We are at the Rondevlei Nature Reserve, specifically the Rondevlei section.
Yes, and we are here because it's the only reserve where there are wild hippos remaining in the Cape Town area.
Yeah, I never knew that until you told me.
Yeah.
I can't wait to go and see. Hopefully we get to spot some.
Hopefully we do.
They say it's pretty difficult.
Yeah, they don't get to see them every day.
Yep.
But I mean, we love nature, so we're happy to go search for them.
Let's go and see what we can find. Caution, endangered western leopard toads. Breeding area.
Oh, they look like leopard spots.
Yeah,
Interesting.
that's cool.
All right. So this is a new one for me.
Yep, myself.
I will be ashamed to say, but I've never heard of Rondevlei Nature Reserve until recently.
You know, I've always heard of Vlei.
Yes.
And I've always thought, why would it have that name? And Vlei is not too far from here.
Right.
It's open from Mondays to Fridays, 7:30 till 5, and Saturdays and Sundays from 7:30 until 7.
Free of charge.
Free of charge.
Look at this. You are entering an area where hippopotamuses occur. Remain on the footpath at all times.
Wowzer.
So there's no one in the office.
Yep.
We can only hope we don't spend the evening in Rondevlei Nature Reserve.
Yes.
Okay.
Recent sightings.
Let's see. So today is Friday, 27 September. No sightings on the board just yet. But look, yesterday.
They saw hippo. Wow.
Fish eagle on Tuesday. Lots of birdies, tortoise, water mongoose.
And they saw hippo on Saturday as well.
Where's that?
There at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Come on, we want to see you.
Yep. But at a distance.
Yeah, they say it's very safe here, but you must be on the lookout for hippos.
Yep. Check these nice little tables under the tree.
Again, just this incredibly green area right under our noses.
Yeah. It's close to Grassy Park and Muizenberg.
Okay. I don't know, I just followed the
GPS.
it's the M5, the M5, eh?
Yes. No, it's very close to Muizenberg.
Oh,
Look at that, it's a lookout point.
yes.
Check out all these spots over here where you can sit under a roof.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
I would imagine you won't be allowed to make fire here.
No. Oh, this is only for staff in here. Boma.
Boma.
Wow. Something's going on here with the
Yes,
staff.
some kind of function.
Yes,
That's why no one's in the office.
exactly. You're entering a Ramsar site. Oh. Leonard Gill Museum.
So remember we learned about Ramsar sites before.
Yes, we did.
So it's a wetland. The Rondevlei Nature Reserve was designated a wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention.
Wow.
One of the 9 criteria for such a recognition by the Ramsar Convention is it regularly supports 20,000 or more water birds. Do you know how many birds that is?
That's crazy. Yes, we will. I know you won't be going up there.
Oh, definitely not.
I'm going to go up there
Okay.
just to see. Maybe I'll spot a hippo.
No, absolutely. You must.
The J. Hartnick C. Moses Observation Tower.
Quite a few steps up this observation tower.
The knee's going to take some punishment, so
Yeah.
let me go.
Okay.
Wow. I don't see anything, I'm just first looking at the view. Okay, I just want to see if I can spot something. I tried with the binoculars and I didn't see anything. Well, I didn't see any hippos. I saw a lot of Egyptian geese and things like that.
Well, despite their size, they may be very difficult to spot.
Yeah.
I'm not sure there are many either. But you know, when I heard that, I knew we had to come and try.
For sure. But this is beautiful, eh? Look at the beautiful spots we have around Cape Town.
I thought, you see that bridge type
Yes.
jetty thing? I see a big brown thing behind there. I thought that was a hippo
Oh,
at
okay.
first.
Check, yes, a red-knobbed coot.
Chilly here, hey?
Yes. Oh, this is closed, but it's like a little function area.
So that young couple said they saw hippos about 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And they say they were fortunate to be fairly close.
Okay, I'd love to see them up close.
And you know I love a hippo out of the water, hey?
Yes. Well, I'll rather them be in the water today.
No.
Young. I run fast, but they're a bit faster. They say you got to be faster than the person with you.
Oh no, then I'm like sorted, hey? You've got trouble coming. They'll sense my deep affection for them and they'll leave me alone.
Young. I hope so. Bird hides and waterside trail.
They keep on reminding us we're in an area where hippopotamuses occur.
Exactly.
That is the main reason we are here.
It'll be so nice to see them.
So nice that on a random Friday afternoon they have visitors, eh?
Yes. And what's amazing is that it's free of charge to come in here.
Yes. Look, there's some little dung balls.
Yes.
I don't know what type of dung this is. I don't know what hippo dung looks like.
I don't know either.
Or hippo droppings, I'm not sure. I'm sure they're too big to make droppings.
I just know their tails work overtime when they do that. Have you seen their tails? Like a swishing.
Swish, 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 yeah, I have.
Yeah.
You know why I love hippos so much?
Yeah.
It's because I've seen footage of them run underwater. And when you look at their big bodies, you can't believe how agile they are underwater.
You know, the thing is, they are very agile underwater because they're buoyant, but they're just as fast on land.
Oh, but they're so dangerous, I believe. I saw a video about with their tusks.
Yes.
It's like
Massive.
little tree trunks in their mouths. It's not like their little chompy ones.
No, no.
Jerry and Mariette Broekhuisen, bird eye. All right.
Thank goodness we brought our jackets with, eh?
Yes, it's very chilly.
This breeze. Oh, this is
It's a
pretty,
beautiful place,
eh?
boy.
Yo.
Look at that heron coming into land.
There.
Oh no, no, it's a sacred ibis.
Yes.
They've also got wildflowers.
Yeah, in the back there.
Did you happen to see on the sightings board that they spotted a fish eagle?
Yes, I saw that.
What would you give to see a fish eagle?
Yeah, I'd give a lot, eh?
That is your favorite bird,
My
right?
ultimate favorite. Ultimate favorite.
And you want to hear it cry.
It's so unique though, eh?
What a
Yeah.
fantastic place this is,
So calm, eh?
I must say. Ah,
Maybe
maybe
I'm
it comes.
calling him. I was on the top of that lookout. You hear, that's the red-knobbed coot that's calling like that.
I heard it twice. Now
Yes.
it's quiet. Ernest, Middlemas, or
Yeah.
Ernst.
Well, I would say Ernst.
Me too, yes.
Even flamingos, greater flamingo they get here, eh?
Yes, and a pelican. I'd love to see a pelican.
Wow, wouldn't that
too.
be awesome? I love these hides, they're so well constructed, eh?
And in good shape.
Yes. Frogs and toads.
Look, there's little things coming up. Like bubbles.
Ah, I'm sure those are terrapins.
You see the bubbles?
Yes, I do. Something swimming along that's doing it. Or it could be fish.
How peaceful is nature?
Something did something there.
Love the bubbles. It's got a little bubble wand underwater. Oh,
Something got air there now.
I even heard that gulp.
Sounds like a barbel. I'm sure that's a barbel. Catfish.
They need to breathe?
Not really. They've got gills.
Yes, it is. It's
That's
got those
Yes, it's a barbel, yeah.
things.
The mustache.
It's not the prettiest fish, sorry.
There's loads of them here, eh?
Yes. There we
Okay,
go.
did you see it?
Did you
Yeah,
too?
Yes.
The sharp things sticking out.
It's mustache.
I love this place.
We're seeing things we don't normally see.
Okay, let's continue.
Well, the weather said it was going to start raining this afternoon. And this morning when we were leaving, I thought it was going to rain, but then it cleared up. But it does seem to be closing up a little.
We didn't think we'd make it here this afternoon because of the weather.
Yes, yes.
Look at this. What do you think makes that hole?
You know, could be ground squirrels. No idea.
Love to see a little land animal too,
Yes.
like a tortoise or a ground squirrel.
Or a tree squirrel.
Do you know what's surprising is what a big reserve this is?
Oh,
Look at this
nice
walkway.
walkway, yeah. You know what
Single arum lily.
you know what I'm happy about
Yes,
is to see so many young people here.
I know.
You said a single arum lily, but there's another one.
Well, a single one and a single one and a double one.
Yeah.
Love arum lilies.
Howard Langley bird-eyed. This one faces two ways, eh?
Love this. It's got high seats with like a stool for
Yes.
feet.
That's pretty cool, eh?
Look, those look very much like waterblommetjies.
They do. I was going to say that.
But it's made for tall people like you. I mean, my eyes barely go over the lookout window here.
I wish I could have filmed you now.
Oh, there's a lower hole for
Yeah.
children.
That's for you to go and stand on your knees.
I'll have to stand on my knees for that one.
This is pretty.
Love the reeds, eh?
Yeah.
Interesting vegetation that's growing in the water. Did you not hear?
No. It's those young guys that are talking.
Oh. You mean I want to hear a hippo?
Yes. This is where you should come and look through.
You like mocking me, eh? Look, they thought of everything to even accommodate the little ones.
Yes.
There's more dung here.
I wonder if
Try.
that's hippo though. I'm sure that's hippo because look at the grass still in there. That's hippo dung.
Well, I'm sure they only have herbivores here. If they had carnivores, we would have been in deep trouble.
Yeah,
In deep dung.
for sure. I've got moles here too. There's molehills.
I'm sure everyone has a party here at night when the humans have gone to bed.
Oh, look at this.
That's gorgeous.
That is pretty, eh?
Look at these yellow ones and those beautiful purple ones.
Aren't these those meaty, what is?
No, I don't know. These
Salad
look like
bush,
daisies to me.
Meat salad bush. You know, meaty salad bush.
Look at this. Asseblief, it's too teeny.
Asseblief, you say.
Yes.
This is nice. It goes for a long way over the water.
Yes. Patrick Wheeler bird hide.
Wowee.
A single sacred ibis.
Yeah.
There's another bird too there
So, red knob coot.
taking a bath. Isn't it the strangest thing that it's the 27th of September and we're still wearing winter clothes?
It's crazy, this weather, I'm telling you. And that crazy snowstorm we had in the middle of September.
In parts of the country.
Yeah.
And now I'm sorry I left my scarf in the vehicle. And your binoculars show you nothing of large size.
Nothing.
I see that little purple flower is called a wild rosemary.
Okay.
And it's not endangered at all.
Oh, that's good news. Something that's not endangered.
It's a species of least concern.
Love the birds, eh?
Wow. And this is irrefutable proof that we're close to the ocean.
Yes, the sand.
Interesting plant.
Yeah.
Look there. Almost. It's very hard. Almost like dried flowers.
Yes.
You feel?
Yeah.
Very bristly. Yeah. Come on, Mr. Hippo. Come on, Mrs. Hippo.
We won't be very chuffed if we come around the corner and he's like standing there grazing.
No, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But
We won't need to cross it. He'll cross it for us.
we'll cross another type of bridge, though.
Telling you.
A permanent type of bridge.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we'll definitely cross over then.
Interesting leaf setup there.
Yeah, it lays flat to the ground.
As if something heavy lay on it.
Yeah. Well, the hippo might have sat there.
Hi.
Hi there.
Did you see a hippo?
No, actually I heard something, but I never saw it.
Did you hear it? Really? You thought you heard the hippo?
I don't know what we really heard.
I also thought I heard a hippo, but he says it was my
There's only one way
imagination.
to spot it though. You're going to have to get on top,
Oh, really?
check through the...
I've got mine here, so I should be able to spot him from there, yeah.
But you have to climb up on top because they're always somewhere out there in the middle
Oh,
of the
okay.
water.
Stay away from the people, you see.
Have you ever seen them before?
I spotted one before.
You did?
Oh, wow.
His head just comes up. And goes down.
That's good enough for me.
Then you can say you saw him. Eh?
Twice, yeah.
Oh,
Thank you so
fantastic, thank
much.
you. Hi there.
Bye.
Hi.
Are you going to venture up there again?
No, my knee is already telling me a different story.
So the gentleman says he's seen a hippo once before. The head comes up and then it goes down, but that's good enough for me.
Yep.
And the one agrees with me. He heard something.
Oh, really?
Oh. Jack Winterbottom.
Hey. See, they've replaced
Don't you
some.
love the movement of the water?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
But it's the wind. The wind's
Yes,
picking up now.
The
you
wind
see.
has picked up, yeah. Oh, what a calming sound.
Phew. Let us see.
So he says they normally spotted in that area.
Yeah.
So this is a huge place.
That's massive, eh? Look how far we've walked and there's so much water around here.
I'm not so sure I can do much further.
No.
I might have to start thinking of turning around.
Yeah, we'll have to. I just want to sit here for a while and check with the binoculars and see if I can spot something.
Yes, absolutely.
There's something nesting over there. I think so.
The bird with the red feet.
Oh no, he's just running across the vegetation.
Okay.
Hey.
I'd love to know how many hippo remain.
Exactly, eh?
Because there's space for quite a few here.
Yeah. Sonia gave this one a nice name. She calls it a bobbing coot.
It is a bobbing coot. Look at it.
Oh, it's bobbing on the water, yeah. Hey? Now what I think is, can you imagine living over there and hearing the hippos at night? I
Can
think
you imagine?
that must be incredible.
Oh, I agree.
I'll scour this whole area now with the binoculars and I just can't see any. I see a lot of coots, but that's it. Well, it's great that I can see the coots, but I'd like to see a hippo.
Yeah, me too, eh?
Hey! Are you two enjoying yourselves today?
Have you seen any hippos? Dusty? Sandy? Also not.
So this path goes on quite a distance still, but I think time is catching up to us. We need to start heading back.
Yeah, I don't think we've been to all the heights, but
I think
I
that
like
one
what
there,
I see.
that one in the distance, I think is the last one.
Oh, okay. I haven't kept count, but I think it might be 5.
Yeah.
Very cool place.
Yeah, I love it. It would be so nice to see a hippo there.
Can't deny that.
Well, we're
Well, I
not out
wouldn't-
yet.
Well, I would imagine one always has the hope of seeing them. And for those who can hike further or walk further, they obviously have a much better chance.
I think the more often you come.
Well, I saw one yesterday or more, so they're definitely here. Look, something was lying here too. That's just too flat.
Yeah, definitely.
I want to show you a flower that I saw along the pathway, and I just saw the name in the hide.
Okay.
Thank you for pointing out every uneven bit. Oh, I hope I recognize the spot from this side. Yes, this is a sour fig.
Oh, okay.
Quite a beautiful flower.
It's very similar to that purple we saw in the West Coast National Park.
Yes.
Very pretty.
Do you think they have bookies here?
I would think so. You see this dung, eh?
Babe, that's a lot of dung.
This is definitely hippo. And it's in the trees here as well, in the plants.
And it's fairly fresh because it's smelly still.
Yes. So it must have been last night.
Or maybe 2 nights ago, but not long ago.
Wow.
I mean, I sense a dampness.
And hippos do come out at night, eh?
Yes. They don't like the sunlight
No.
all that much. Well, it helps me knowing that I'm in the same 2-kilometer radius as they are.
I wonder what goes in here. It's definitely little critters that go in there, eh?
Oh, no doubt. It's the perfect home.
Yes.
I'm just not keen to join them in there, so I think we better head to the car. We're not sure what time the office closes. There
Yep.
was no one.
I am sure this footpath is where hippos come in and out.
Definitely. How can it not be?
Seriously. They take shortcut out there onto the footpath.
And then into the hide. There's another path going down the left. As they probably look for new grazing.
Most likely.
Interesting this, eh?
Yeah, it grows on the tree stems.
What is it like? Algae?
Not
Probably
algae.
not, eh?
No,
A fungus?
no, it's like flaky.
Okay, a parasite.
A flaky parasite, I don't know.
I mean, I don't know for sure, but I'd be surprised if this plant doesn't have silver in its name, because it literally looks like shining
Definitely,
silver.
yeah, definitely. Huh?
And feel this soft bush. As prickly and bristly as the other one was. So soft.
But this is some type of a fynbos, eh?
Love that.
Yeah.
You feel how soft it is?
Yes.
It's like little bottle brushes. So the fact that there's a scope on top of that observation tower
Yes.
leads me to believe that the hippos are only visible from there.
It's possible, but I think they wouldn't have this here if you wouldn't be able to see them from here sometimes.
I would imagine, but I think what that gentleman said is they probably live more out that way of the reserve.
There might be just too much activity here.
Might be,
Yeah.
yes. Listen, we haven't checked out the museum. It
Yes.
looks like it's open.
Let's go and have a look. But let's check out the wild neighbors.
Sharing our city with our wild neighbors.
Wow.
All right. Caracal,
What?
Cape grey mongoose, or little striped field mice.
Cape Grijsbok.
tortoise.
Otters.
Cape porcupine. I will die.
And otters. Cape clawless otter.
We've also never seen that.
Yeah, baboons.
Cape and common genet.
And then the western leopard toad.
And then the Cape grysbok.
Yeah. Stunning. Leonard Gill Museum.
Let's see what it's all about.
Yes.
Leonard Gill Field Museum.
Nice.
Cape parrot. Bird of the year 2023.
Wow, wouldn't that be nice to see one of them in the wild?
Gorgeous.
Sure.
No, it's fine because I feel my use.
Oh, it's a bit dark in here.
Yeah. Look at this. This is the little Cape grysbok.
How cute. Is that a baby?
Hey, the lights came on. Fantastic. Look at all the animals. Look there.
Porcupine, bunny, otter, mice, mongoose, terrapin, tortoise. Oh no, look at the genet drinking water,
Yes. No, he's not drinking water. He's eating something.
sniffing something.
So nice.
This little baby grysbok, did you check the baby porcupine?
Yes.
Let alone a porcupine. What about a baby porcupine?
Check the bird migration.
Which
Wow.
is absolutely one of the wonders of nature.
You know what's incredible is that I've seen some of this footage online where they put trackers on birds and to see how they fly and they miss the water. A lot of them fly past and skip the water.
And they also need to rest, I'm sure.
There was some little falcon or something I can remember in Bloemfontein that used to fly from Russia and used to be in a certain tree in Bloemfontein every year.
Every year.
A bunch of them. Yeah.
That's wild. Indigenous bush marshland. Reed beds, you see, reed beds.
Okay, you were right. Birds' nests.
Is this a woodpecker? Pied barbet, bont houtkapper. He's made a perfectly round hole. And number 7, what is number 7?
Kuifkop visvanger. Malachite kingfisher.
Is that a kuifkop visvanger? I never knew that.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's look at the hippos here.
Yeah.
Okay, can we just look at the footprint? That is ginormous.
Massive, eh?
Put your hand next to it just for context. It's huge.
Massive.
This must be a hip socket.
Yeah. Hippopotamus hip socket.
Oh, there. Is it light
It's
sensitive?
sensors over there.
Bird anatomy. Oh, such a delicate
Yeah.
skeleton. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. In front of you.
Fish eagle.
Behold the size.
Jackal buzzard.
Oh, we saw those recently.
Yes. Barn
Fish eagle's
owl.
big, eh?
Massive. Can you imagine that wingspan?
They should have had bird sounds in here now.
Yes. That triggers with the lights.
Is this the wildtuinvoël?
For sure.
A Birchall's?
Birchall's, yeah. Birchall's cuckoo.
Yeah, it doesn't have a name.
No.
Grey winged francolin.
Hippo.
Yeah, I love it. I love a hoopoe. Listen, this is a pretty display. I've gone to a lot of trouble here. Oh, teeny malachite kingfisher, so tiny.
common tern,
Sandwich tern.
These are the ones that dive bomb into the water.
Kivit
Crowned lapwing.
with baby.
Cape shoveler. Look at that beak.
Yes.
Oh, no, it's not a beak, it's a bill.
A duckbill.
Yes.
So flamingos. African black duck. All right.
Yeah, the flamingos.
And a young one. Oh, and a hammerkop.
Hey!
Love me a hammerkop.
Hammerkop.
Yeah, I love how that sounds. A hammerkop.
Wow, cattle egret. Yes.
That looks cute.
Yeah.
It's got a little kuifkoppie. Great cormorant. Big, some of these birds.
Yeah,
eh?
look at the grey heron.
Purple swamp hen. Yeah, love herons.
Black-crowned night heron.
Oh,
This little egret is the one that we grew up knowing as the tick bird.
okay. Intermediate egret. Yellow-billed egret. In between size.
Very
I
interesting.
wonder
eh?
why the black-winged stoat was given that name.
Well, those look like stilts to me, eh?
And then Afrikaans comes with rooipoot Elsie.
Well, the rooipoot is there.
With a long beak.
Yeah. Douglas Murray Resource Centre is closed.
All right.
That was quite cool.
Yes, very interesting. Okay, so we didn't add hippo,
No,
but we did add to the sightings board red-knobbed coot,
coot.
Egyptian geese, and sacred ibis.
And there were other little birds as well, which I couldn't identify.
I know,
Yeah.
I know, but this place is well worth a visit
Oh, for
for
sure.
an hour or two.
Yeah.
So peaceful and so beautiful, and very well maintained.
I loved the fact that we could just walk around, hear the birds singing, standing here, still hearing the birds singing, and those towers to climb up to look into the distance to see what you can spot. I really enjoyed it.
A fantastic stop, safe parking for one's vehicle.
Yeah.
Yep, give it a try.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.